While arranging the party, the expenses are partly fixed and partly variable according to number of people. When there are 300 people, the expenses are rupees 16,500. Now, the fixed charges decreases by 33.33% and variable charges also decrease by 20%. If the new expenses are 3,500 less than the previous one, then what were the fixed charges earlier? Okay, let's assume the original fixed charges as x. That means we have to find the value of x. Let's assume the variable charges as y. Now, the new fixed charges, they have decreased by 33%. So it is decreased, so therefore it becomes 1 minus, and the fraction equivalent of 33.33% becomes 1 by 3 into x. So that means it is 2x by 3. And the new variable charges are 1 minus, the fraction equivalent of 20% is 1 by 5 into y. So therefore 4y by 5. Now let's form the equation. Now there were a total of 300 people. So the first equation becomes x plus 300y is equal to 16,500. Now the second equation would be, instead of x, it will become 2x by 3 plus 300 into 4y by 5 is equal to 3,500 less, so therefore it becomes 13,000. Okay, so let's simplify this first. So it becomes 5 into 60. Okay, now if we multiply this second equation throughout by 3, okay, so 3 will get cancelled out, so the equation will become 2x plus 60 into 4, that is 240, into 3, that is 720y is equal to 13,000 into 3, that is 39,000. Now the first equation, you have x, so therefore let's multiply it by 2. So therefore it becomes 2x plus 600y is equal to 32,000. So it will be not 32,000, it will be 33,000 because it is 16,500. Okay, so if we subtract it, 720 minus 600, that is 125, is equal to 39 minus 33, that is 6,000. So therefore 10 gets cancelled out, y comes out as 50. Okay, now as y is 50, you can substitute the value of y in any of the equations. Okay, let's do it over here. So x plus 300 into y. Okay, so that becomes x plus 300 into 50, that is 15,000, is equal to 16,500. So 15,000 gets subtracted, we get the answer as x is equal to 1,500. So that's your answer.